Hey everybody, Contractor Mike. We are at the Sue and Jeff project again. So this is a good day for us in that you see nobody's here working, and that's because this was inspection day. So we had the building department come out and check all of our rough-in work, our electrical, our plumbing. We check our hot mop on our pan, and again, we passed. How about that? Okay, so good. So let's talk about a couple of things. So we'll come over here first and see that we've got our HVAC in, we'll be able to heat and cool the space. Now what this does is we've got a register here, we've got one directly across it in the water closet here, and that's going to create airflow crossways across the floor. And then over here, we've got another one in over here, which is going to do the same thing. So now what this is going to do is allow air to roll completely through the whole space, so it'll be properly heated and cooled. So this is where our vanity's going to go. As you can see, we've got our rough-in plumbing all done, and we've got our power in for our sconce lights. This is where the mirror is going to go. We're going to have towers on the vanities. It's going to look really nice. And over here, we've got an outlet that's actually going to be in the backsplash here, and this is where they're going to be able to plug in their coffee maker. We've got a fridge that's going to go right where the shop vac is right now. And so they're going to be able to come in, make their coffee in the morning, kind of hang out in their master suite. The other vanity is going to be over here, as you can see. We're stubbed out for our hot and cold water and our drain system here. And again, we've got our sconce lights going up. And then we've also got lights going to puck lights too. So now over here in the shower area, let's talk about plumbing a little bit. This is just a work of art. He was in here a few days doing this. There's a ton of fittings in here, but everything is exacting in here. We've got body sprays, we've got a handheld on a slider bar, and that's what all the stubs are here. So when we get the tile and all that in, we're going to be able to have all the gadgets and gizmos in. We've got a nice bench over there, nice big shower over here, and we also have a fixed head that's going to go in over here. We have a volume knob here to control that going on and off. And also a nice light up inside, so it would be well lit. Now we also lowered the ceiling in here just a little bit so we didn't have that elevator shaft kind of feeling, because we do have tall ceilings in here. Now if we look overhead, we see that lots of holes in the ceiling because we had to put our can lights in. And so all the lights are in. This space is going to be totally lit. It's going to be very warm and inviting in here to get all the tile in. One thing I do want to point out here is that we're going to put a warm floor in here, and we use the new heat system. So this whole floor in here is going to be heated, and the controls are going to be here. And very important, before sheetrock goes on, notice this little guy running all the way down the floor. This is where the wires are going to come in from the floor. It's going to come over here, and we now have a pull string. So once the sheetrock is on, we'll be able to just attach those leads to here and pull them up into the box. It's going to be way easier. So that's where we are here with all of this, and we'll come back again after sheetrock, and you'll get a much better idea of the space constraints in here and how open it is. So come back. See you later.